Good morning, everyone. I will continue the report of Jira Reyes. So, challenges of global governance and the 21st century. The global arena of governance offers both challenges and potential avenues for addressing the intricate and interconnected issues confronting the international community. These difficulties encompass a growing economic and political divide, a deficiency in enforcement mechanism, and the necessity for enhancement cooperation among diverse stakeholders. Global governance in the 21st century facing numerous challenges including climate change, economic inequality, social conflict, and the rise of new technology. Global governance facing a complex wave of interconnection challenges that require a multifaceted approach involving international cooperation, innovation, solution, and commitment to share values such as human rights and sustainability. And the Political Sphere website this month 2023 presented the following prevailing challenges of global governance. First, lack of political will and cooperation. Political leaders often struggle to find common ground and cooperate effectively, despite the growing needs for international cooperation on various global issues. Lack of political will and cooperation, global issues such as climate change, pandemic, and mitigation require countries to work together global governance. However, due to the national interest, political rivalries, or fear of losing sovereignty, countries often fail to cooperate effectively to solve these particular problems. So, for example, take the Paris Agreement on climate change. While most countries agree to limit global warming, some major economies like the United States temporarily withdrew in 2017 due to the political decision. This weakened global momentum and showed how lack of political will can hinder progress. So second is unequal presentation and participation. Disparities in presentation and participation within global governance institutions are prevalent. These organizations are frequently dominated by the interests of wealthier nations, marginalizing the voice of less affluent countries. Unequal representation and participation, global organizations like the United Nations Security Council, IMF, or World Bank are often dominating by power countries. This leads to decisions that reflect the interests of richer nations while ignoring the needs of smaller or developing states. For example, in the UN Security Council, only 5 countries like USA, UK, France, Russia, and China have a veto power. This means even if the rest of the world agrees on the resolution, one body can block it. So third is enforcing global governance decision. Enforcing global governance decision. The effective enforcing of decision reached by global governance organization is a persistent challenge. Even if global bodies make rules or agreement, there is no global police force to enforce them. Countries may ignore or violate rules, especially when there are no serious consequences. For example, such as the International Criminal Court, ICC, issued an arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin in 2023. But since Russia is not a member, so the court cannot enforce the arrest. This shows how enforcement depends on voluntary compliance. Financial difficulties. The global financial crisis has posed a significant challenges to global governance efforts, resulting in an unequal distribution of wealth, resources, and economic opportunities. So, financial difficulties is economic crisis can destabilize countries and make international cooperation harder. Financial instability can cause government to focus inward and reduce their support for global opportunities. For example, during the 2008 global financial crisis and um, many nations prioritized their own economies and cut international aid. This weak development program in foreign countries and highlighted how crises affect global solidarity. So, number 5, inadequate funding. Inadequate funding is insufficient financial support poses a significant obstacle to many global governance organizations. These entities often rely on funding from member states, which can be constrained and subject to political influence, limiting their ability to fulfill their mandates effectively. Ang inadequate funding dahil is global governance bodies like the World Health Organization or WHO rely on member contribution, but if countries delay or reduce payment, this organization cannot do their job properly, especially during emergency. So, for example, katong in the COVID-19, World Health Organization or WHO struggled with funding gaps. The US even withdrew funding temporarily in 2020, affecting vaccine distribution and pandemic response. So number 6 is addressing new and emerging global issues. Addressing novel and emerging global challenges such as those posed by artificial intelligence present a unique hurdle for global governance. New challenges like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, biotechnology, and mitigation and climate mitigation are growing faster than global rules can be made. the world lacks update policy to manage the risk and ethical dilemmas. For example, nowadays, AI generation deepfakes are already election and spreading misinformation, yet there's no global treaty on AI regulation, leaving country to figure it out individually. So that's all my report. Thank you.